All right, hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about one of the challenge that we are currently trying to resolve our work that we are experimenting with. Let me kind of say that now we have a pipeline. We have the smoke test pipeline, a pipeline that has a smoke test job, face of the pipeline. Let me put it that way: face of the pipeline, the infra part of the pipeline. Now the smoke test phase runs an RKE cluster. In fact, yeah, you know now KS cluster, right? That runs quickly, it's all running using container. It tests the application, it tests the whole process of the application. Now it moves into the next phase of the application. Remember, we called it the smoke test. The next phase of the application, it's essentially running the same thing that happened in the smoke test, but using AWS infrastructure. We are talking about our scaling group, all spun up through Terraform, connecting some other stuff, running the full test, right? Now, the workflow that we have around that later part of the workflow is actually kind of, let me put it this way, bogging down developers. It's not really it's making their life miserable. Let me put it that way, right? Because a lot of things can go wrong. Terraform can decide to you know, give up on you, blah, blah, blah. So right now, we are trying to find out some of the best practice that we can do about developer workflow that works for these environments, right? Now, what we are trying right now is that, the feature branch goes into staging branch, staging goes into master. Now, the problem is that, we used to do it differently, whereby, you make a change against the master. Now, the current workflow is actually, saving developers the issue of having to deal with, the infra part of the pipeline, because when you make a merge request onto the staging branch, you don't have to worry about the, the infra part of the pipeline test. So you don't have to worry about that part, which is, saving a lot of developers headache. That's what we're experimenting with right now. Um, I saw a merge request, right? An issue created about even changing this workflow. So I need to sync up with the manager for us to get, synced on what is the current proposed change, right? I'm going to take a look at the current proposed change today and see, what is so different about it, right? So that's actually what we are trying to solve right now. And hopefully we're able to come up with a solution that everybody can agree on that actually fixes the issue, right? It's, provides a smooth developer experience, right? And also it's technically competent for our environment. So that's what we are working on right now. Yeah, and hopefully I'm going to keep you updated about the progress of the challenges we are facing in our work environment, or you're likely to face as an infra software engineer. All right. Yeah. Thanks.